नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू। खुश रहो बेटियाओं। आई जेवीएन अमित कुमार शर्मा। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कशन सॉफ्ट स्किल्स एग्जाम्पल्स। ओके, हार्ड skills are undoubtedly essential. They are the basic levels requirements that your employees must have you in order to be able to complete their job functions. But research has shown that soft skills account for 90% of what makes people progress up the success ladder. Okay, that like as a self motivation, teamwork, creativity, time management, organization, flexibility, conflict resolutions, positivity, communication, leadership, problem solving, critical observation. Okay, then repeat again: self motivation, teamwork, creativity, time management, organizations, flexibility, conflict resolutions, positivity, communications, leadership, problem solving, critical observations. Why you should care about soft skills? Why you should care about soft skills? Okay, then soft skills are become more and more coveted with many organizations giving them the credit they deserve. Soft skills provide you with a confident, satisfied workforce that will sustain your organizations. Many employers assume that the most practical skills are standard them when it comes to their employees. But this is not always the case. Assuming your workforce will simply know how to act in the non-technically workplace situation in need. It is tantamount to assuming all employees have the same personalities. एक एग्जाम्पल अपन ले रहे हैं। मान लीजिए एक लिंक्डइन के सीईओ जेफिर वेनर हैं, हैज़ डिमीन्ड सॉफ्ट स्किल टू बी द बिगेस्ट स्किल गैप इन द अस. When your workforce is plentiful in technical skills but lacking in soft skills, you may notice that some elements of your businesses face challenges. For example, if your employees are well trained in obtaining customers but not so wonderful at customer retenance, you have a soft skills gap. Fortunately, you can work to alleviate and soft skill gaps in your business थ्रू ट्रेनिंग. ये आपको मैंने बताया कि इसकी केयर किस तरीके से करनी चाहिए. एक एग्ज़ाम्पल भी मैंने आपको लिंक्डइन के जो जेफ वेनियर हैं उनका एग्ज़ाम्पल भी दिया कि वो किस तरीके से यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मैं बताऊंगा कि बेनिफिट्स ऑफ सॉफ्ट स्किल्स एंड ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेस एंड मोर इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशंस एंड स्ट्रोंगर लीडरशिप. Okay, and improved problem solving. Okay, and enhance creativity and critical thinking, better teamwork, efficiency and productivity. Okay, thank you all of you.